Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using Dollar Tree frames to create a lovely lighted wall decor. I'm going to take off all the parts that I don't need and leave just the glass. Now I'm going to glue the glass to the frame using a hot glue gun. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The next thing I'm going to do is lay out the pattern that I'm going to be using for the design. I'll be attaching them together with corner braces and mending plates as well. I made sure that I leveled all the frames to the floor before I started attaching the corner braces and the mending plates. I'll be using wood glue and hot glue gun to attach them before I then go ahead and use the corner braces and the mending plates. You should know that I made sure that I picked out frames from the Dollar Tree that are flat to make it easy to join them together. You should be extremely careful while doing this so you don't hurt the glass. And all that I'm doing is going to be on the frames alone. I'm going to be measuring the squares that I intend to cover up. I'll be using a foam board, and this foam board is going to be covered with glitter contact paper. The link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I'm taking measurements of the squares that I had measured that's on my design. Now your squares could be different from mine. That's why I didn't give any measurement, because this is depending on how wide or how small the squares that you have are. I'm going to be gluing them to the frames using a hot glue gun. I'll be using LED strips for this project, and I'll be using 2, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. It comes with the remote, and it's also self-adhesive. When I was done installing the first one, I installed the second one, and they all met down here in the middle. And that's where I'm going to be gluing the battery pack. But I'm going to be covering the empty frame first before gluing on the battery pack on top of it. I held down the loose wires with duct tape. I joined foam boards together. Now this is what the design looks like when it's on the right side. It's so pretty and simple. I'll be using this leftover wallpaper over the foam board. And it's a leftover, so I won't really be following the pattern, just so that it can cover the whole thing. I mean, you won't really notice it at the end of the day. This is what the design looks like on a plain wall. And this is what it looks like with the pattern wall that I just made. Now, I could hardly notice the glitter sheets from afar. So what I did was to cover up the spaces with small mini plates that I got from Party City. That's much better, because now the plates have given the design a 3D effect. This is what it looks like with the lights on, and it gives a cool and soothing feel when you're around it. This was super easy to make, and it makes such a bold statement on the wall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.